DSA, I'm Macy Wilson, and today we will be making a banana cream pie. An amazing banana creamy sensation. So I suggest you make this pie with me, because anyone who's gonna eat this is gonna be amazed. Well, let's get started. The ingredients that you will need are 8 ounces of Cool Whip, thawed, 5.1 ounces of instant banana cream pudding, 1 pie crust, pre-made or homemade, 3 medium bananas, and 2 cups of whole milk cold. First, you're going to have to put the pre-made or homemade pie crust into the oven. The directions are on the back of the pre-made box of the crust. Next, pour the 2 cups of milk into a large bowl. You are now going to pour the mix into the bowl with the milk. Now stir for at least 2 to 3 minutes, fast, until the mixture has thickened. Now slice your bananas. Only slice 2 of your bananas that you have. Save the third one for last. Now throw in all 8 ounces of your Cool Whip with your other stirred mixture. Put your sliced up bananas into the bowl too. Mix it all up. Now it is time to get the pie crust out of the oven. Make sure you set it out to cool for about 2 minutes or more. Scoop out all of the pudding filling and put it into the crust. Once you are finished, put the pie into the fridge to chill for about 2 to 3 hours. When your pie is finally done sitting in the fridge, you can take your last banana, cut up some slices, and decorate. And you can even take some whipped cream and put little swirls. That was one good pie. Well, DSA, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Macy Wilson, reporting, or should I say baking, for Create TV. That was one Wonka good pie.